Making an appointment with a contractor can be daunting. Stay tuned to find out how easy it can be to make an appointment. Hi, I'm Nolan Beery and I'm the Director of Sales Development at Acculevel. Making time to meet with a contractor can be a major task. In this video, I'll explain how easy making an appointment can be, what happens after an appointment is made, and is it difficult to schedule the repairs. But before we go any further, please give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. Let's get started. You can go onto our website, fill out a form, and that'll go to our office and then they'll reach out to you. You can also find our number on our website or on Google and call in and talk to our call center representatives. And then they can help set up an appointment and make sure that we can help with your concerns. Or you can simply have a chat there on our website, and that comes right to our call center ladies as well. And they'll help you answer questions and set up an appointment right there in the chat. So after the appointment's been scheduled, you're going to probably get a phone call or an email or some type of message from our actual project advisors. So they're just going to confirm that appointment time, make sure that there's no additional information they need before they visit your home, and just learn a little bit more about what they're going to be looking at. Once you've talked with our project advisors and they've come up with a plan to solve the concerns with your home, setting up the work to be done is very easy as well. So our project advisor is going to get all the necessary information into our system here at Acculevel to be sure that we assign the right crew with the right experiences and the right tools for your job. Once that's been done, our scheduling department will reach out to you via email or phone call and set up a time that's most convenient for you and works in our schedule for that work to be done. To schedule an appointment with one of our project advisors, give us a call or go to our homepage, acculevel.com, and click the Book a Consultation button. Fill out the form and we'll contact you within the next business day. Do you have more questions about your appointment with Acculevel? If so, please leave them in the comments below. Check out the description for more videos and blog articles on crawl space and foundation repair. And don't forget to give us a thumbs up and ring that bell. We'd greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.